Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys know my name is Keisha and my channel is Side Hustle Keisha. Here I'm going to be bringing you all the latest tips and work from home opportunities that I can find. We'll also talk about passive income where you can make money while you're on vacation, while you're at your other job. Also, we're going to be talking about opportunities for you to get out the house and meet some new people and make money. I'm going to bring you everything that I could find that's out here, that's the top work from home opportunities or work as a little side hustle, top side hustles out here. Okay, so stay connected. Make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you push the notification button so every time you upload it, I upload a video, you get notified. Okay, you guys, I want to tell you about one thing. When you come to my page, always go below the video. Below the video in the description, you're going to click on, there's a button. It should say show more. You're going to click on the show more and it's going to open up in the description box. In the description, I have a free 7 top work from home side hustle guide for you. All you have to do is click on this link here. It says 7 top side hustles. Click on the link, follow descriptions, and I'm going to send it right over to your email box. Share it with your friends and family. I always will list my top, my number one, my top of the list, my very, very best way of making money from home. Our number one recommendation for making money from home. It'll always be listed here. You can click on the link, follow the steps, and check it out. Let me know what you think. But listen, we're talking about 4 top platforms, 4 top sites that you can go to and find opportunities for you to work from home as a supplement of your income or full-time work from home, or you can work 2 or 3 different things from home and make great money. Okay, so we're going to be checking out 4 different platforms that have some amazing opportunities listed on. So you guys stay all the way to the end because you never know when I'm going to drop a bonus. Usually bonuses are incentives. They could be monetary incentives, equipment incentives, whether it be a laptop or computer or gift card. Listen, always stay to the end. Okay, so let's jump right into the first one. Okay, make sure you guys are over on Side Hustle Keisha on Facebook. We're Side Hustle Keisha now on Instagram. Make sure you like and follow and share and comment below if you try any of the opportunities. We want to stay connected with you. We want to continue to help you on your journey to work from home or to transition to entrepreneurship. Okay, so stay connected. Let us know how it's going. Okay, so we're going to talk about Appen. Appen is a great platform for you to come to and find out all things about Appen. Let me just tell you a little bit about Appen. You know, Appen has worked with some of the major companies, but this is what how Forbes described them. Appen is a technology service company based in Australia. However, they have offices in the US and United Kingdom as well and provide opportunities in 130 countries around the world. The company works with some of the biggest companies in the world, including 8 of the top 10 technology companies. It supports more than 1 million contractors around the world. So you would come here on Appen. They go over their services, field testing, linguistics, secure services, personalization, data collection. They offer solutions, applications, e-commerce, in-car navigation, machine translation, social media analytics, text-to-speech, proofing tools. Industries that they service: technology, retail, automotive, healthcare, government, and financial. Resources, all resources. Success stories, we'll go over that. Okay, so here's find a job you love, solve big problems, and help shape the future. So here is Raiders. This is where you would find flexible part-time home-based work that requires a computer and a mobile device. Micro tasks, simple tasks that can be completed in about an hour from the comfort of your home. Okay, corporate jobs, positions affiliated with our global offices focused on engineering, marketing, finance, and sales. Language jobs, flexible work and transcription and translation and linguistics. Okay, see what makes Appen unique. Learn more about us. We are a global leader in the development of high-quality human Anthon data sets. From machine learning and artificial intelligence, we partner with the world's leading technology companies to improve their machine learning-based products. When you join Appen, you'll be a part of a collaborative, diverse organization where we value entrepreneurship and enjoy flexible work environment. We've built a strong reputation at Appen as leaders in the high quality data for machine learning. We've accomplished this by hiring some of the brightest, most dedicated talent. If you have a passion for working high growth, customer focused environment, this is the place for you. And Mark Brainin is the CEO. So let's jump over here and go to, let's just go to Raiders, because this is going to tell you about your part-time and flexible jobs. So here are some examples of opportunities that may be available. Search media evaluation, work with the world's top search engine companies. Social media evaluation, okay, help improve social media around the globe. Translation, transcription, survey and data collection, short-term projects that last 15 minutes to 3 hours. So you can just click on Appen and check it out for yourself. We're going to jump back to careers. I want you to see, let's click on microtask. When you go to microtask, they're going to want you to get registered. So go through the steps to get registered with microtask. And then we're going to go back to careers. They also have corporate jobs. Now, this is if you're looking for something more full-time, okay? So when you come over to corporate jobs, they have a list of corporate jobs here. HR specialist, project manager, and it tells you where these jobs are located. So if you're looking for something more full-time, more permanent, come over to corporate jobs and see what they have. I'm going to see if there's one, a director, relevance, Sunnyvale, California. Let's check it out. 2 days ago, they posted this job, okay? Woo, we got a list here. Okay, so the position director of relevance is accountable for performance of relevance team and its managers and the financial strategic success of the relevance line of business, providing key leadership and direction to the team. The relevance team provides resources for client services projects requiring high level of specialized knowledge, skill, and experience. The relevance team advises the sales and pre-sales teams on task scope, develops technical solutions and plans, and executes complex special tasks to the required service levels. So operating in concert with the matrix team members in specialist and PMO and service delivery organizations. Responsibilities are going to be reporting to the VP, specialist in the PMO. The director of relevance is responsible for consistent and effective governance and delivery of the relevance portfolio of business and change projects. Okay, so special duties include improve internal operations through better productivity from our crowd and provide input into Appen's technology builds. Okay, so that's just one of the duties. You can come here and list if this sounds like this works for you. Oversees performance of installation and the client acceptance of capitalized equipment, enterprise software systems or system integration projects or engagement, serves as a mediator to internal issues and conflicting priorities for members of cross-functional teams focused on delivery and new and existing solutions to clients, selects, develops, and evaluates personnel to ensure the efficient operation of the function. Qualifications, postgraduate, 10 years plus management. So listen, if you're trying to get out if you're looking for something new and you have this experience, come check Appen out. We're going to go back to careers and go to language jobs and see what pops up here. So here you would have to answer the questions about the language. So it's going to pull up the same thing. You would just put in the language that you speak and see, or that you would like to, I guess, speak or translate. So you're going to be translating here as well. So let's go back. So let's go to careers. Okay, so you remember when I clicked on here, flexible works, transcription, translation, and linguistics right here. So those are language jobs. Go over there and click if you're interested. So that's Appen. That's one of the top 4 work from home platforms that you can come to and find jobs that you can work from home. Now, if you're looking for something in an office, they have this here too as well. So that was Appen. The next one is going to be Lionbridge. And let me tell you just a little bit about Lionbridge. I want to give you some information about Lionbridge. Lionbridge has positions available that are part-time, freelance, and remote. Okay, so let's go over here and check out Lionbridge, who we are. Okay. Okay, so Lionbridge is the world's most trusted global communication platform. 20 years, we're just getting started. We're bridging builders, barriers breakers, linguistics experts, and cultural translators. We build deep relationships with the biggest brands in the world so they can build deeper relationships with their customers. We're fluent in 350 languages, and we work from more than 5,000 cities as we combine human empathy, and machine intelligence. Okay, we've been doing it for 20 plus years, and we're just warming up. Okay, so here's Lionbridge here. Then what we do, content servicers, translation servicers, test servicers, all servicers. So you would just kind of like pick here what would work best for you. Let's do rating and reviews. That sounds interesting. Okay, so helping you shape intelligent applications for real people. Use our network of experts to collect and analyze data so your all works for all your customers everywhere. So if you wanted to join the team, you would click here. Let's see here. Join our team and see, let's see where it takes you. Jobs at Lionbridge. So you would go to corporate associates, testers, raters, and curators, translators and agencies, and then interpreters. So they have options here. I'm going to go to testers, raters, and curators because I think that's more on the lines of something like a freelance opportunity. So I want you to see that as well. Online jobs, find the ideal fit for you. Click your region to see a list of opportunities in the country, okay? So they have opportunities in Canada. Let's see what they got in Canada. So here, when you hit Canada, here's what comes up in Canada. So all my subs that are in Canada, you have personalized internet ads assessor, and then you have web content judge, online map analyst, work from home in Canada, part-time work from home web content assessor, part-time work from home job multimedia judge Canada. So hey, if you're in Canada, we got some jobs for you. That's Lionbridge. Come here and play around with these platforms. You can also click here and go to all jobs, and I'm sure it'll give you a great list of job opportunities. Account executive, sales, here's where they have Denmark, Japan. So all of you that are not here in the United States, we got some opportunities for you, honey. You got Oregon. So we're coming back into the United States, but these are out of the United States. So come over to Lionbridge and check Lionbridge. Okay, so our third one is going to be Live Ops. Live Ops, the modern call center, isn't a call center. It's a network of virtual on-demand agents delivering unmatched scale and flexibility. Okay, so Live Op has opportunities listed here as well. Industries, they cover direct response, financial services, healthcare. Let's go back. Technology, telecommunications, travel, and hospitality. They cover everything, you guys. That's it, you guys. Come over here and play with Live Ops and see what you could find that best suits your skills and your availability. If you're full-time, part-time, or after work, you definitely want to come over here and pick something that works best for you. And let's go over to number 4, which is our worksolutions.com. And I'll put these links below. I want you to check it out and tell us what you think. Let's jump right into Work Solutions. Evaluate omni-channel customer experience with on-demand contact center outsourcing. For customers, The experience is everything. With our on-demand contact center solutions, excellent sales and service, evaluate your business. Rise above the competition. I want to work from home. Let's jump right into there. It's coming up slowly. Work solution jobs. Excuse me, guys. This looks pretty cool. Work at home jobs. So you could scroll down here and see their innovation, relationships, culture, integrity, people, caring culture, work at home, be your own boss, become a part of the who crew. So just some more information for you. But if you want to move forward, you can click on learn more, or apply now. It's up to you. So okay, so we're here. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen and critters of most ages. Please review our frequently asked questions, which detail everything you need to know before you apply. Watch the video below concerning the difference between independent contractors and employees. Pay close attention to the technical requirements and confirm your setup meets the requirements. So, work from home solutions created in 1996 to provide legitimate work at home opportunities. So they have, if you go to Glassdoor, work solution jobs is going to be top #1 rated on Glassdoor. Okay, let's see here. So we're here. How do I become an agent? Apply by working by a work solution agent about 15 minutes. Take assessment about 30 minutes. Receive acceptance or rejection. Be patient. This could take up to 2 weeks. Can I work more than one program at a time? Yes. Who determines the work hours? Agents are able to schedule their work hours. Okay. Do you provide benefits? All of our agents are self-employed contract. Traditional employee benefits such as paid time off, health care insurance cannot be afforded. So got that? Okay. And then system requirements are going to be listed here under work solutions. System requirements. Here's the system requirements. I'm going to suggest you go through here and match up your system to what is available if you're looking at work there. Okay. Also, join our talent community, frequently asked questions. Let's see where it takes us now. So we're on the work solution jobs board. Sales development representative, sales development representative. It looks like they need a lot of them. Oh, they have them Plano, Texas, San Antonio, Richmond, Virginia, Burlington, Charleston, Houston, Fort Worth. So come here, check out the jobs, and let's go to the Plano one and see. So sales development representative responsibilities: participating, practicing excellent verbal and written communication skills, providing top-notch customer service skills while guiding callers to the right solutions for the specific needs, researching, navigating, and independently locating answers for web pages, resources in variety situations, exercising strong multitasking skills, and navigating through multiple websites and being available for income calls. So that's work solutions. Come over to the jobs, just get to hanging out, find it out. If you like the job, go ahead and apply. If you think this is going to be good for a friend, send it right over to them, right? So that's 4 different platforms you go to and look for work from home, permanent works, part-time work, passive income work, you guys know I'm going to provide it to you. Make sure you guys hit subscribe, hit the notification. If you check out one of these opportunities, please drop a comment below. I look forward to hearing back from you. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, we want to get paid intentionally. You guys have a good night. Bye-bye.